Well, that was almost hit him on the floor there, and he fell across. Stare from Tyson, and Bonecrust is saying, what? There's no reason to suspect he's not the Iron Man. He's going to go to points anyway. From Nevada. And that was a hard right hand from Smith.
Setelah merebut sabuk WBC dari Trevor Berbick dan menjadi juara dunia kelas berat pertama kalinya pada 22 November 1986, Mark Tyson langsung mengejar untuk titel keduanya, sabuk WBA yang dimiliki oleh James Smith yang berlangsung pada 7 Maret 1987 di Las Vegas, Amerika Serikat. Sebelum pertarungan, James Smith yang 13 tahun lebih tua dari Mark Tyson menjanjikan akan memberikan sebuah laga yang dipenuhi adu pukulan. Berbick bukan pemukul seperti saya. Ketika Tyson melawan saya, ini akan menjadi laga terhebat dalam sejarah, ucap James Smith dengan percaya diri.
No reason to suspect he's not the Iron Man. Oh, 28. He won clearly, Tyson. Countdown for the end of the first. And the stare from Tyson, and Bonecrust is saying, what's this all about? And that's really unnecessary, that. I'm disappointed to see them do that. Now, you see that thing that's going to happen there. They're doing the staring bit. And then it was Tyson who just flicked that. Well, no Mr. Nice Guy in this fight, round 2. And now it's really going to get bad-tempered, I suspect. And I'm not surprised the way they've been bumping and boring close in like that.
Sepertinya janji Smith tidak akan terwujud. Smith tidak berani beradu pukulan secara frontal, yang ada hanya rangkulan sepanjang pertarungan, yang membuat Mark Tyson frustasi karena gagal mendaratkan kombinasi pukulan yang diharapkan. Bahkan Smith mendapatkan pengurangan poin di ronde kedua dan ronde ke-8.
And he's taking a point away for holding for Smith. Well, I don't think it's going to go to points anyway. In fact, I'm sure it isn't. As I said, he's hoping to let Tyson punch himself up. That's a mistake. And he wants to go on fighting. This is really bad. I can't understand why. Now, let's have a look at some replay there now. It's all Tyson crowded in, and it's Bone Crusher hanging on for the most part. He's looking older by the minute as we come out for round 3. Oh, now that right hand got through now. Tyson's really getting mad at. They're shouting up. There's been quite a lot of betting on helmet. It looks so dangerous when he throws that long. Oh. There's one thing for Smith trying to make Tyson look ordinary, but he's not doing anything to win the fight by walking away like that. We haven't come to see road work. Possibly the best punch. He's taken him 7 rounds to get through, and he's trying to laugh at it now, Smith. Well, that was almost hit him on the floor there, and he fell across his feet there. There was no knockdown, and red hot. Now he's standing and trading, Smith. Let's have a look at some replay now of that one. Got inside, and you see that slip. You see, fell over. So he's just trying to roughhouse him as much as he can, but fell across his legs there, Tyson. He was. Oh, that was more spectacular. You know, the photographer's cameras clicked at that point. what it matters, the 3 knockdown rule is in effect, which if one boxer goes down 3 times in a round, it's automatically over, as it was with Bone Crusher against Tim Witherspoon. It's a combination of Boxing Council and Boxing Association rules on this one. Of the heavyweight championship of the world is Mike Tyson. If Tyson can draw Smith into a fight, into just standing there and trading level with him, and he's got more chance of landing his famous knockout punch. Corner to keep that left eye injury staunched okay. But early on that just... Well, he tried it there, but it wasn't to the body, but it was just below the chin. So it was... I suppose there will be a number of people saying it's burst the bubble, but 12th and final round then of this heavyweight championship, and 2 from Nevada. All the head shaking and the smiling from Smith, as if to say, well, they said you were phenomenal. And there's jeering coming in the last round. I think they wanted to see them really have a go, and particularly Smith. So there's the countdown clock, and a little bit of play acting now from Smith. As if he's going to say, well, I'm satisfied to have stayed the course with you. And that was a hard right hand from Smith, and he recognised it, and I think Tyson did. And this will keep going after the bell. And he saved all.
Setelah laga usai, meskipun memenangkan pertarungan dengan keputusan mutlak dan menyatukan sabuk WBC dan WBA, Mike Tyson sangat mengeluh cara tarung James Smith sepanjang pertarungan. Ini akan menyakiti hati para penonton yang mengharapkan sebuah performa, karena ini adalah bisnis hiburan, ucap Mike Tyson.
In his first 12. But Mike Tyson then retained his unbeaten record. And now the